Candidate number
12, 9.
Candidate number 8.
Full sexy naman yung babae.
Congratulations to Princess, candidate number 8 for our second runner-up. Okay, let's move on with the hunks. This time, we're going to call the second runner-up for hunks. Summer Bodies year 25. Second runner-up
14!
is candidate number
14!
24.
14!
candidate number 40.
John Matthew John!
Once again, our second runner-up for Hockey Babe will get 10,000 pesos in cash, a sash, a certificate, gift bags from Aficionado, and Mogu Mogu.
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen, your second runner-up for your Hockey Babe, Princess and John Matthew John.
Congratulations.
Bata pa kasi.
May bata pa screen ka pa. Ito.
Okay, this time, first runner-up for our Summer Bodiesquest Bing. Our first runner-up is candidate number
Sa babae, hindi ako pamilya.
candidate number 5.
Jane Osison! Congratulations, Jane! You are our first runner-up. That means it's between you three girls who will be the grand winner.
Macho! Macho! Ano mo pangalan mo? Macho! Macho!
Congratulations.
Macho! Ito.
Picture ka muna, Jane. Namiyak lang chumika dito. Congratulations, Princess and Jane. I'm here now, here.
Sa lubong siya dito.
Okay, this time, our first runner-up for Summer Bodiesquest Hunk. First runner-up is candidate number
18!
20!
candidate number 80.
Choco Castro! Alright, this is interesting. This is going to be interesting.
Our first runner-up for Hockey Babe will get 50,000 pesos in cash, a sash, certificate, and gift bags from Aficionado, and Mogu Mogu.
Okay, congratulations.
Would like to invite our first runner-up babe and first runner-up hub to kindly be at the center. Jane, kindly join Joko. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, your first runner-up. Namatay na, hindi na kinaya. Jane and Joko!
Congratulations once again to our first runner-up, Hunk and Babe.
Yako!
And now,
Our grand winner.
the moment of truth is in the
Definitive cash. Kidding aside, the points will have a plaque, a crown, sash, and 50,000 peso worth of Derma World gift services.
Hello, the crown. Di ba ang ganda ng crown niya kaya? Laki oh. I'm sure.